Find the length of the third side. If necessary, round to the nearest tenth. First bit of advice is I'm going to let you know is if you see it says round to the nearest tenth, once you have isolated the variable, it's going to be a calculator. Makes it really easy. So first things first, let's draw the diagram. This one looks like, you know what? I'm just going to draw it just like they did here. So those two sides are my legs. That makes my square, my right angle. And this is my right angle. Across from the right angle is this. This is going to be C. And then this one will be A or B or B or A. It doesn't matter. But according to this, let's see, I have a hypotenuse to the side. This is going to be 7. And then I have 5 in B or 5 in A. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and mark 5 for B, which means A, I'm going to use the variable. Now when we write the Pythagorean theorem, we have A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. A will remain the variable. My B is going to be 5 squared is equal to 7 squared. So that's going to simplify to A squared. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which simplifies to 25. 7 squared is 7 times 7, which is 49. And then we'll subtract 25 from each side. So I have A squared is equal to, let's see, that's going to give us 24. And then at this point, we will get rid of the square by square rooting the left and right side. And so all we have to use is figure out what Delta Math says that it is equal to. The instructions do say round to the nearest tenth. So I'm just going to grab my calculator, square root, and I'm going to put in 24. And it says, oops, 24. Okay, wrong spot. So it says right here, according to Delta Math, that A is going to be equal to 4 decimal 89897986. And I will let you know, it's actually going to go on forever and ever, and it will not repeat. So this is irrational because 24 is not a perfect square. Now, when we have to go ahead and round to the nearest tenth, that means I'm going to be rounding to this spot. But to find out what I'm going to do is I'll look to the right. That's a 9. That means I round up. So I write A is approximately equal to 4.9. And that's what you put in. So again, it's nice when the instructions say round to the nearest tenth because you're simply going to use the calculator. Round appropriately and you should have that right.